In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find alumni at a company on LinkedIn. If you're looking to connect with individuals who share an educational background similar to yours, or if you simply want to establish a professional network with people from your alma mater, LinkedIn provides a powerful platform for this. So, let's dive right into it. To get started, make your way over to LinkedIn by opening your web browser and typing in linkedin.com in the search bar. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can do this by signing in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply by entering your email address and password. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone. This extra layer of security helps keep your account safe. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your LinkedIn feed, which is where you'll start your search. Think of a company you're interested in and type its name into the search bar at the top of the page. As you begin typing, LinkedIn will suggest pages that match your search criteria. Click on the correct company name from these suggestions to go directly to their company page. You'll notice several tabs near the top of the company page. You want to click on the People tab. This is where LinkedIn gives you information about individuals associated with that company. Now, to zero in on alumni from a specific educational institution, you can make use of the school filter in the People section. Enter the name of the school or university you're interested in, and LinkedIn will filter the results to show you people who attended that institution. If your goal is to find alumni who have also worked at other companies, LinkedIn offers more filters that you can apply. Use the current company or past company filters to find people who presently or previously worked at different organizations. This can be incredibly helpful if you're looking to understand the career trajectory of particular individuals or learn more about different industries. After applying the desired filters, LinkedIn will present you with a list of people matching your criteria. Now, it's time to review their profiles, pay attention to their professional backgrounds, and see if there's a connection to what you're looking for in terms of careers, industries, or shared experiences. Finally, if you come across profiles that resonate with your professional goals, consider sending a connection request. Personalize your message to introduce yourself, perhaps mentioning your shared educational background or mutual interests. This thoughtful approach will help you foster meaningful connections and help expand your professional network. There you have it, a straightforward way to find alumni at a company on LinkedIn. Happy networking, and best of luck in finding those valuable connections.